About time we taste that small beer, huh? All right, here we go. You ready for this? Oh, we got a little pop.
We got the
Got the steamy thing.
Yeah.
It carbonated. Now for the pour. I'm definitely seeing some foam there. Oh yeah. That's all we need for a good taste.
So we're not professional beer pourers by any means, but we
No, I do
have
all right.
a decent amount of head here in this pour.
The
and
bubbles are consistent in size.
It's
maintaining the head.
maintaining. So
Okay.
supposedly that's good qualities.
Right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you, I put too much hops.
Now, if you watched the video of us making this, we reheated it.
Yeah.
Because we're trying to condense it to push up the ABV. But unfortunately, we did that after we hopped it.
Yeah, so the hops got extra bittered.
Yeah.
Besides the fact that I added too much.
Yeah.
So there's more hops than we should have had, and it got extra bittered. So, yeah, it's more like an IPA.
Our bad.
It's a baby IPA.
Yeah.
On the smell, very hoppy, obviously. I get a lot of hops. Now, this was supposed to be chocolate peanut butter too, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, there's no chocolate or peanut butter in this at this point. It's very hoppy. It tasted like a beer. Okay, as you can see, the color too, it's kind of a golden color. It's not super dark, which we didn't expect it to be. This is a lower.
We need to backlight. There you go. Now you can
See,
see
it's,
better.
it's got a little bit of, it's semi-clear. You can see through it, sort of. But it's a nice color. It's a pleasing color.
Yeah.
It's not a super light beer color, which is a little surprising considering the low.
It's not super dark either. It's
Yeah.
kind of
It's
medium.
a middle-bodied beer. On the flavor, though, it's very hop forward. Okay, I'm not tasting the chocolate or the peanut butter that was in this at all, and that's okay. Would I really go for this beer? Probably not for me. Okay. However, on a really hot day, after working out in the yard or something, this would be very crisp, very refreshing, I would think. But it's not the kind of beer that I would sit and enjoy at night or something like that while watching TV. It's a little much on the hops for me.
Yeah.
Totally drinkable though. I mean, it's not bad.
It has the refreshing qualities, as Brian was saying, but it also has enough substance to it.
Oh yeah.
That sometimes the lighter beers
they're
are
just
kind of
watery. This is not watery.
This isn't watery. Yeah.
This is stronger. If I did not know this was a second running, I would not believe it was a second running. It's definitely got. I mean, did we figure out? Yeah, it's only under 3% alcohol, so it's not super strong at all. But it doesn't taste weak in any way. The flavors are strong up front. The carbonation is perfect, I would say. As I'm drinking it, the more I drink it, the more I'm like, oh, this is actually pretty good. This is not bad at all. It's a very aromatic, flavorful beer. Okay.
Our historical research on beer making, particularly home beer making back in the day, is that they would use the second or third runnings as kind of a breakfast
Everyday drink. Yeah.
Drink.
Oh, yeah, that too.
And this one, because it doesn't have that wateriness, I could imagine
it's robust.
that, if you were getting ready to go out and work in the fields or whatever manual labor you had to do that day, having this with such a low ABV and having that substance to it would make you feel like, okay, I'm ready to go.
Like you put something in your stomach.
Yeah.
I mean, the thing to remember about this is, this came out drinkable and usable, and this is garbage. This is essentially what most brewers today throw away. So I'm going to start doing second runnings all the time now when we make a brew. And I think we can do better next time.
Yes.
As we've said before, we are not huge beer drinkers or beer makers. I've only done maybe a couple dozen beers in my entire career. So not a tremendous amount of experience at making beer. And I still learn things all the time, get a little bit better technique and this and that. But I also like to do it probably a little more primitive than some people do. I don't want to have to buy $5,000 worth of gear to make beer.
Yeah.
I mean, we did this with a stainless steel pot and a hydrometer. Come on, that's all you really need.
In a bathtub.
In a bathtub. Bathtub beer. That's a channel name right there. Bathtub beer. Anyway, in summation, small beer, success or no?
I would say it's a success.
It's a success.
Definitely room for improvement, but it was a success.
Yeah, and we have like 10 bottles of this that we will enjoy. I can imagine food pairings. What would you put this with? Fried food.
Like
fried chicken.
fish and chips.
Oh, yeah, with fish and chips.
Yeah, see?
Vinegary food.
Yeah.
I think this would go really nice with vinegary food. It doesn't taste like vinegar at all, but it complements.
A nice burger and coleslaw.
See, I don't see this with a burger.
Yeah, see, Brian is a burger snob, so this is not. It is
right
not
for a burger.
up to burger
It's
standards.
so strong and robust in flavor that it would actually remove a lot of the fatty, greasy things that are great about burgers. Yeah, I said it. Fatty and greasy, good things. But anyway, as we said, this came out decent. The more I'm drinking of it, the better it tastes to me, and I'm starting to actually enjoy it more. So I look forward to drinking the rest of this now. I wasn't sure when I first smelled it. But anyway, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.